Smoky, simple and deeply comforting. You guessed it, Baingan Bharta, simplified with Philips OneChef. Today we'll use both the special non-stick cooking pot and the air frying rack. Press the power button, select Airfry Mode followed by Veg Preset. Set it to preheat for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius and press start. Now let's prep the baingan or the eggplant. Make deep cuts in the bharta baingan and insert whole garlic cloves in the cuts. Brush lightly all over with mustard oil. Place it on the air frying rack and cook for about 25 minutes till tender and charred. Transfer the roasted eggplant to a plate, gently peel it and chop the pulp finely. Keep it aside while we prep the seasoning. Don't forget to clean the air frying rack. जिसकी non-stick coating बनाए, cleaning super easy. Press the power button again, select stir fry mode followed by Veg Preset and press start. Add mustard oil. To the hot oil add jeera, ginger, green chilies, onion and saute for about 5 minutes. Add chopped tomato, tender dhania stems, turmeric powder, degi red chili powder, coriander powder and salt to taste. Cook for 5 more minutes till the masala is soft and cooked. Now add the chopped eggplant and spring onions and cook for 5 minutes. Finish off with chopped fresh coriander and give it a final mix. Transfer to a serving dish and garnish with ginger julienne and a sprig of dhania. Taste stays timeless, but the method gets smarter and easier. With Philips OneChef, it's all you need.